How to change your password on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your Spotify account password. Now the process is actually quite simple. All you have to do is you'll have to open your Spotify on your browser. Now this won't work on your desktop or phone application. You'll have to head into the browser. Simply head into the browser, whether on your desktop or your phone, and then searching for spotify.com, and then you wanna head into the browser and then log into your account. Now here you can see I'm on the Spotify browser version and I'm logged into my account. Once you're logged in, tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner. You can see the settings icon, tap on it, and you want to tap on the very first option that says view account. Tap on view account option and you'll be able to view your account here. Once on view account, what you want to do is you want to scroll down here, and under security and privacy you can see the very first option, change password. Simply tap on change password here and you'll be headed into your change password option. Simply type in your current password and then type in your new password and retype your new password and tap on set new password, and you'll be able to change your password. So this way you can change your password on Spotify. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.